Hard to complain about that when they got more than 100 times more than that over parts of the Great Lakes. Western New York State, south of Buffalo, and also in the Watertown area. But check on this band that's just been sitting all day south of Buffalo that's now tracking a little closer to the city. We've been watching amounts in places like Hamburg and Aurora all day long. But look at these amounts. This is not a mistake. 66 inches now, Orchard Park. I mean, that's where the Bills' home is there, and that's why they're not playing this weekend. Blasdell, 65 inches, and you go to Watertown, just under 30 inches of snow. Let's check out the status in Western New York. Here's ABC's Matt Rivers in Buffalo.
Tonight, more than 4 feet of snow already in spots. Officials calling it some of the worst conditions they have ever faced.
It's unfathomable to see this type of snow come down in such a short period of time.
Those are all cars, folks. Buried here.
AccuWeather's Reed Timmer in Hamburg, New York, a town hammered with snowfall rates of up to 5 inches an hour.
I'm at the closed New York Thruway right at the Hamburg exit. You can see people sliding around out here all over the place.
Late today, Erie County officials announcing the storm's first fatalities.
2 males who have unfortunately perished as a result of exertion, having cardiac events associated with snow shoveling and snow blowing.
And I can tell you this is wet, heavy snow, the kind of snow that can collapse roofs, and officials are stressing that as people clear out from all of this, as they clear their driveways and their sidewalks and their cars, they're going to do so slowly. Take your time, because clearing all of this is going to be both difficult and taxing. In South Buffalo, New York, Matt Rivers, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you, Matt. We just want to see these bands move a little bit, and it looks like they're going to go toward the city of Buffalo and then northwest of Watertown overnight, giving a break to some of those southern suburbs of Buffalo. We're not done over the weekend, though, with a cold front bringing more squalls through tomorrow night, and then into Sunday, more snow showers, but probably not the same type of ferocity in the Buffalo area, but we'll get another band north of the Syracuse area. But we're going to tack on still another foot to maybe even 2 feet downwind of the lakes here as we go through the upcoming weekend. Things will really shut off by Sunday night into Monday.